Welcome back to Primetime News. As regional leaders move to clamp down on transnational crime, the government will strengthen ties with Caribbean nations. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang revealed several countries have requested Jamaica's support in crime fighting. Anthony Logg reports.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake, and other members of the Police High Command gathered following a high-level meeting with stakeholders this week.
A lot of discussion how we can collaborate with our Caribbean neighbors and not only mitigate the gang activities in their country, but also help them to reverse some of that activity if they don't get to where we are. We wish ill on no one.
With gang violence and arms trafficking on the rise, Caribbean law enforcement and political leaders met this week in a show of regional unity. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake insists the partnership is critical to the success.
Anything that we're up against, we have to first understand it. And in understanding it, all the different pieces of the puzzle must be put together. And so it is out of these types of deliberation that we have had some of the most profound security structure in the region.
In his address at the 49th CARICOM Heads of Government meeting, Chairman Dr. Andrew Holness argued that the escalating violence in the region has evolved far beyond traditional street crime level, posing a threat to regional security.
So it is absolutely important that we come together as a region so that our individual publics can see and appreciate that they are not alone in this problem. That the gangs in Jamaica likely have a connection with gangs in St. Lucia, in Trinidad, in Haiti, in the Bahamas. And that there needs to be joint, coordinated action.
Jamaica has been lauded for its crime-fighting efforts with a 41% reduction in murders when compared to last year. The success has been attributed to a major investment in national security. But for Dr. Kevin Blake,
saying is a chain is as strong as its weakest link. So we can't be for a moment fooled by the fact that because we have been doing well in Jamaica, that means security for Jamaica is guaranteed. If our neighbors, if there is insecurity in our neighboring state. And so it is important that we share best practices, but also important that we learn from our neighbors.
The high-level regional meeting ended with promise of greater collaboration. Stakeholders all agree the fight against transnational crime will require sustained political will and resources. Anthony Logg, TVJ News.
Coming up in Saturday's Sports Special, changes made to Jamaica's team for upcoming Junior Pan American Games due to adjustments in the junior track and field schedule. And dates revealed ahead of the next FIFA window for the World Cup qualifying for the Reggae Boys. Good evening, I'm Spencer Darlington. We'll be back with the details on those and more after the break.